Hello, today I want to share with you this whole home water filtration system, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent it to me in exchange for sharing it with y'all. So we have actually had this installed 1.5 to 2 weeks at this point, and it has been a game changer in our house. We had our plumber come out. I'll show you that in a moment where he installed it and everything. And at first I was a little bit, I don't know if leery or bummed is the right word, but it just needed time to adjust, and it has, and it's been working wonderful with our house. What I mean by time to adjust though is when you first hook it up, it's taking a little bit for that water to go through the system, if you will. So we had a lot of like air coming through the pipes and stuff like that, but now it's all fully adjusted and it works wonderfully. And it is amazing how much it is keeping from all of our plumbing from getting stopped up. Everything is just working so much better now, I can tell. And I love this thing. And I'm so glad we were able to get partnered up with SimPure and get this installed in our home. So now I'm going to jump over to, what was it? A week and a half, 2 weeks ago when our plumber was here, and he's going to help share about all the different things about it and how he installed it and all of that. It actually was very simple. I say that I wasn't the one installing it, but just watching him, I was like, okay, this is doable. This is not rocket science. It's doable. So keep watching to see how we had this installed and what all my plumber had to say about this.
The unit just comes with female adapters. You get male adapters, attach the male adapters for both ends. You can prefab it up. That way it makes it easier to level. Make sure you take the plastic wrapping off both your filters. If not, the water won't pass through it. And then you're going to attach your main feed from the pump or water supply to the end, and your main feed to the house or wherever you're going on the out. What I'm using is crimp packs. You can use whatever material you have or whatever material you need to use. That's your out to the house. Trey, when you're doing that, you just kind of leave a little bit of the edge of the pipe so you can see it. Okay. You don't crimp it all the way on the end because it's got these long barbs, so it sits pretty good on there.
On the winter, am I gonna need to wrap those fittings? The brass.
Yeah, it's up to you. It's just 1 inch, so whatever you get needs to fit 1 inch pipe.
Okay.
Filling the filters.
Okay, so you just turned on that black knob right there?
You
Okay.
turn your main source back on, and then it starts going through the filtration.
I saw it starting through that
Yeah, it's filled up the
grayish
tubes.
one.
It's going through because he's got that hose bib on.
Okay. So stuff's only going to flow through there when we have something running.
Yeah, it's just going to sit in there and go through the sediment because it has to go through this filter and then go through that filter and then get out.
Okay.
It may affect your flow a little bit because it has to go through the filtration.
Okay. Like it may take a moment to get going. Is that what you mean, or just overall pressure?
Not get going. Not get going necessarily. It's just when you're using it, if you got like 4 or 5 things going,
Okay.
you may notice a drop in pressure a little bit because it's having to go through.
It's slowing down
the
a little.
filtration.
Okay, makes sense. Well, alrighty, so we are good to go.
You're good to go.
Okay, so I wanted to share a little bit more of our experience after my plumber had talked about if we had multiple things running at the same time, we might experience a dip in pressure. We have not experienced that. We've had dishwasher, washing machine, people taking showers, running the water hose outside. Any of our normal functions, we have not noticed a drop in pressure. Just there at the beginning when all that air had to run through the pipes, now our water, it's not stalling when you turn it on and gurgling all the extra air out. It turns on like normal as if we didn't even have that filter on there. So, but better because because we don't have all that buildup from all the sediment and stuff like that. So I just wanted to be really clear with that when putting this video together for y'all. And there you have it. This is the SimPure Whole Home Water Filtration System. I hope this video helped you determine if this product is a good fit for what you're looking for or not. We have been enjoying it, and I hope you do too. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below, and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.